This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robbie Curry. Come see this gem of a house in Camden Park, a subdivision in the heart of Gainesville. The 1,462 square foot home, built in 2002, has a roof replaced in 2023, a tankless water heater, microwave, 2024, stove/oven replaced in 2021, and beautiful vinyl plank flooring throughout most of the house. The bathrooms and kitchen are tiled, so there is no carpet throughout the house, A+ for those with allergies. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, arranged in a split floor plan with French doors that open from the living room to the backyard. The interior of the house has been completely repainted, 2024. The wood-burning fireplace is perfect for cold nights. Camden Park is a neighborhood located off of Northwest 55th Street, between the University of Florida and Oaks Mall, so it's easy access to university classes/events, shopping and hospitals. For more information, review the details below.